Hey everyone! Let's talk about something that I'm sure we all care about but sometimes forget to take care of, our vision. We spend so much time on screens, reading, working, and doing all sorts of things that can strain our eyes. So, when I came across iGenics Vision Supplement, I just had to try it, and today, I'm here to share my experience with you. iGenics is a game changer for eye health. It's packed with 12 powerful ingredients that are scientifically proven to support clearer vision and protect your eyes from aging and screen strain. The formula includes natural ingredients like Bilberry, Gingko Biloba, and Saffron, which have been used for years for their antioxidant properties and their ability to improve eye health. I've been using iGenics for a couple of weeks, and I can already feel the difference. My eyes don't feel as tired at the end of a long workday, and I've noticed that I can focus better, even in low-light situations. It's honestly such a relief to find something that helps with the constant strain that comes with being in front of a screen all day. What I love most is how easy it is to incorporate into my daily routine. I just take one capsule a day, and that's it. No complicated regimen, just a simple solution to take care of my eyes. Plus, iGenics is made with vegan-friendly ingredients, so I'm confident it's a safe and natural option for me. Another thing that really impressed me is that iGenics is made in a GMP-certified facility in the USA and is third-party tested for quality. That means you're getting a premium product that's been rigorously tested to make sure it's doing exactly what it promises. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in front of screens or is worried about long-term eye health, iGenics is definitely worth considering. It's not just a quick fix, it's a way to protect your eyes for the long haul. So, if you want to give it a try, check out the link in the description below to get your hands on iGenics. I'm really glad I did, and I know you'll be too. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and reviews. See you soon.